India right now has 5 out of the 8 ICC titles.
One-sided game at the end speaks of the domination of the team, right?
I think it's all come down to we're missing those tense moments.
The Indian team is now so goated that हम लोग live match में practice करवा रहे हैं यार.
It's not exciting enough. There's not that element of thrill anymore.
In their dominant decades, which team was more fierce? All right, this is it. First, before I start the episode, I don't want to say thank you to you guys. I just want to say it was pleasure doing business with you. It was business doing pleasure with you. This is episode number 10. This is the final episode after last night's final. Once again, this World Cup had everything: drama, emotions, hope, heartbreak, redemptions, heroes were made, upsets were done, and a whole lot more. Welcome to the episode number 10 of The Mark on Stars Play, also the home of cricket. Now, we just don't stop. We started with the World Cup.
Yeah.
Hopefully season 2 will be with the IPL. We're here or not, you gotta watch the IPL right now. On my left, okay, this is the legendary. The amount of jinx this lady has broken. Now at this point in time, I'm not going to call her a cricket journalist, a cricket broadcaster, a cricket player. I'm just going to call her the jinx breaker. Make some noise for Charvi, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
On my right, this is now, because this is the 10th episode, I can say this with full confidence, a guy who's been winging it
Very much.
because he follows cricket. He's that guy who would just know every fact, every run, every ball at the back of his head. Me and Charvi, I mean, not even Charvi, I would just Google because I would remember stuff, right? I would Google.
Yeah.
He'd be like, yeah, that ball, that keeper, that. That's why he's on the show. Vish, my partner in crime. Let's talk about the final. Let's talk about the 2026 World Cup champions right here on episode number 10. Welcome, Charvi. Welcome, Vish.
Thank you.
What's up?
Thank you.
I think it's not a. I mean, I'm just trying to think. I mean, is the feeling going to hit in after some time? You called me the jinx breaker, and I should have asked for a couple of $1 million, man. That would have come through.
Yeah, you
the
should
set
have.
of this series, I would have done
You
that.
should have, yeah.
Now we're suffering from success, guys.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, before we started rolling, I was just discussing with Vish and Charvi that how maza nahi aaya yaar.
Yeah, I know. You know,
What is this problem to have?
yeah, it was kind of a
One-sided
bit of a
match.
One-sided game at the end. Sort of became like a dead rubber almost.
Correct.
You know.
Yeah, towards the end.
But then that speaks of the domination of the team, right? In the sense.
Yeah, man. But
to
also
some
as a
extent.
millennial, I'm used to see the team
Yeah.
get stuck in situations where we're like, okay, it was a waste of my anxiety, bro.
It was. Particularly for you.
Yeah, I'm
Particularly
like,
for
what
you.
is the point if you're winning so easily?
Yeah.
If you don't have an anxious match, if you don't bite a nail, so what's the point of a
Yeah.
final?
So this is a good feeling to have, you know. It's a good problem to have. Imagine
Yeah.
Australia winning 5 one-day World Cups.
yeah.
West Indies won a set of World Cups. This is the kind of feeling they have that we've had.
Yeah.
Is this
Yeah.
what it feels like?
Yeah.
If so, maybe yes.
Even their streak started with a really, really boring final.
Yeah.
1999 World Cup against Pakistan.
Yeah.
See, this is what I'm talking about. I would
Yeah.
not 1999 World Cup yaad hai saath mein.
Yeah, it was a really, really boring
It's
final.
just a show off at this
Yeah.
point now.
it's a boring final.
No,
I
but-
like how he's talking about wives. यार मजा नहीं आया यार बड़ा boring था.
Yeah. 50 over game में 120 बनाएंगे तो it's going to be boring. यार.
Yeah,
Correct.
50 over game, right?
You know, the fact that we moved on so quickly,
Yeah.
right? We moved on so quickly. By the time we're recording this episode, we're like, okay, we won the World Cup,
Yeah.
but it's not feeling the same. And so is for the players. The coach and the captain were at a press conference yesterday talking about how Surya Kumar Yadav said, okay, over, next goal is the Olympics gold medal and the T20 World Cup in 2028.
Yes.
This is how quickly the players are moving on as well. Yet there's no, you know, that time where now where will you have the parade, the trophies at home?
They can still do a parade. It's
Where?
Yeah, I mean,
We
They
did
do
that
it.
last night anyways.
technically
in Ahmedabad
they can
Stadium.
still do a parade if they wanted to.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I guess that's what this Indian team has become, that juggernaut, right?
Yeah.
That it's just going to go trophy after trophy after trophy. And we are now going to see a phase where we really need to look forward to a good challenger.
Yeah.
And I think we'll probably expect that. And I think the other teams, nothing to take away from New Zealand. They've been amazing the entire tournament. But I think yesterday was just not their day. I think I wouldn't call it a match worthy of a final, unlike 2024, which was a real match worthy of a final. But again, speaks of the domination and the juggernaut.
I don't think it's the wins that is something that's. I mean, everybody likes to win, and we always want to be have that sense of belonging to the winning side. But I think it's all come down to we're missing those tense moments.
Yeah.
We're missing those moments where we feel which way is it really going to go.
It was too goated.
Yeah, it was too obvious and goated, like you said.
Yeah.
That we knew exactly who was going to win.
Yeah.
It's just about. Yeah, it's not exciting enough. There's not that element of thrill anymore.
Yeah.
The uncertainty aspect that kind of keeps us glued
Correct.
to sport.
Correct.
That uncertainty was almost certain yesterday.
You know, I can say this, but at one point in time, after our power play,
Yeah.
I felt like this is going to be one-sided.
Yeah.
Honestly, after the what did we score? He would know.
92.
Mr. Stats.
92.
ये देख.
नहीं, वो तो मुझे भी पता है.
92 in the first
92.
6 overs. That is the best power play for India because then you put that kind of score on the board. Final पे scoreboard पे score का pressure तो होगा ही ना यार.
See, the bigger score, the better it is in any format of the game. The more the number of runs, the chase always gets more difficult. And
Yeah,
I'll tell you, in a
yeah.
final, it could be any other group stage match, quarterfinal, semi-finals, not as much because then it becomes a knockout. But in a big final, you always want to be in a safe zone and be secured. So the fact that India always wanted to bat, and Surya Kumar mentioned this at the toss, that if we would have won the toss, we were going to bat first.
Yeah.
So if I
Yeah.
didn't win the toss, it doesn't matter. I got what I wanted.
Yeah.
That aspect. And you need to have so much belief in your batting lineup that as a captain, when that coin goes up and you like, if I win the toss, I'm going to bowl first.
Yeah.
Which means you need to have like a firepower batting
Yeah,
lineup, which
yeah,
unfortunately the Black Caps didn't have throughout the tournament.
Yeah.
The middle order didn't do so well.
Yeah.
Daryl Mitchell did get off on a very small, a little bit of a start yesterday. We thought maybe he might pull it through.
By the time Daryl Mitchell came, I was like, the game is gone.
It's gone.
Way out of hands.
Way out of
Yes.
hands.
Yeah,
I
the
agree.
asking rate was way too high by that
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
I think at one point in time, India looked like they were going to hit 280 at least.
Yeah, easily.
With that little break in the middle where those three
Yeah.
wickets fell in Jacob Neesham's over,
Yeah.
it looked like they would get to 280,
Yeah.
290, something
But
along those
to
lines.
the score also that we kind of got.
Yeah.
All thanks to Shivam Dube, and not a lot of
Yeah.
people are talking about Shivam Dube.
Yep.
Shivam Dube has consistently, in small ways, but big impact, has proven very,
True.
very important without any man of the matches.
Yeah.
Without any
Right?
man of the match.
Without any claim
Yeah.
or without any big noise, no superstar culture. Shivam Dube, genuinely, which a lot of cricketers and the
Yeah.
players in the team have spoken about his involvement and his, contribution to the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's see Shivam Dube. He's a good talent.
Yeah.
Especially somebody with that height, long levers,
Yeah.
left-handed. और कितने advantage brownie points चाहिए भाई
Yeah.
आपको
Yeah.
किसके player
They're also
में?
talking about his 46 runs of those 2 overs, right?
Correct.
in
Yeah.
the game against
That's-
Zimbabwe. I think.
Zimbabwe, yeah.
His
Yeah.
Shivam Dube deserves a
Yeah.
lot more praise
He does,
in the
he
media.
does. Yeah.
A lot more. We gotta put this
Yeah.
reel out.
Yeah.
Shivam Dube, we love you and thank you for being literally the savior in the end of Team India. Now, we talk a lot about Australia's dominance. We've spoken a lot about India's dominance. So there were like decades, right? There was Pakistan ka decade, then there was
Yeah.
Australia ka decade, now it's India ka decade. Here's a question to both of you, which I'll start with you. Where in their dominant decades, which team was more fierce?
Ooh, it's hard to go past Australia. I mean, that entire lineup with the likes of Adam Gilchrist, Ricky Ponting's 11,
Yeah.
right? I
Yeah.
mean, that look at those players.
But Australia has also won a World Cup in every decade.
They have.
Last also
yeah.
they won.
Yeah, they have.
They
They're
have.
still they know how to turn up for tournaments, except for 2026.
Yeah.
To a great extent.
But that was also
yeah.
because a lot of main players were injured.
You could say that, but it's still.
No?
Yeah, yes and no.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think you'd agree to it.
I
Yes
would.
and no.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a tournament. You have to have. I mean, look, there was a lot of comparison done earlier in the, before the start of the tournament, where you look at the Indian side that wasn't picked. You have Shreyas Iyer, Yashasvi Jaiswal, a whole bunch of players who are not in this playing 11, and they could have also won you this tournament, very much so. I'm surprised that is not the case for Australia. That can't be the excuse that you don't have players to replace when your frontline bowlers or frontline batsmen get injured.
But also IPL hara na yaar. Watch when stars play. So they had to be fit for IPL also.
See, this is where a lot of people are talking about country duty versus now the franchise league, and that conversation happens where why is it that franchise leagues have been given so much more importance versus your national duties. Australia, on the other hand, just to come back to every decade they've won a World Cup. Can you imagine 2023? Let's talk about it, because that was a one-day World Cup. It was not a T20 but World Cup at the end of the day. 2023, they lost that game against Afghanistan. They had almost lost that game against Afghanistan. Glenn Maxwell pulled an absolute stunning performance.
I can never, on one leg.
On one leg.
On one leg.
Injured. He literally was that last man standing that pulled their entire country through. Can you imagine that?
Greatest ODI innings.
And they went on to win that World Cup. That itself tells you that you can't take Australia lightly.
Never.
Okay, they didn't make it to the 2026 final. You never know.
You're allowed one bad
You're
tournament.
allowed one. Remember, we have a whole bunch of ICC tournaments coming up. We've got another one-day World Cup coming up next year. You never know. These guys, they will show up, and they show up big time.
Speaking of current title holders of the ICC events, right? Men's Cricket World Cup, the current defending champions, 50-over World Cup, Australia. The T20 World Cup, India. World Test Championship, South Africa. Champions Trophy, India. Under-19 Cricket World Cup, India. Women's, if you talk about Cricket World Cup, again, India. T20 World Cup is New Zealand. Women's, right? Under-19 T20 World Cup, India again. So India right now has 5 out of the 8 ICC titles that there are.
That T20 one might just get changed in July. Just
the July one. The July
just
one.
maybe.
July
Just
one is
maybe.
coming. I was just gonna say.
Is
You
it
never
June
know.
or July?
June or July?
June and
I
July.
think June and July. Wales
June,
and
July.
England.
So Wales and England. The final
Yeah.
is on the 5th of July at Lord's.
Ooh.
This is gonna be fun.
मैं तो जा रही हूँ. कौन आ रहा है?
मैं चल रहा हूँ.
चलो.
मैं चल रहा हूँ.
July,
Genuinely चल रहा हूँ.
UK in July, best time to go.
And
Best
उसके
time to
बाद
watch cricket.
इंडिया इंग्लैंड सीरीज भी है तो
That's it.
साथ साथ में
That's it.
देखेंगे.
That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I don't mind.
चले?
But right now, also this team has dominated in a way where now most sixes by a team in a T20 World Cup edition. 2007 से लेके 2026. Let me tell you, 2007 India had only 38 sixes in the entire tournament. 2026 India had 112 sixes, which is by far the most by any team in all the T20 World Cups. This hitting power, talk to me about this.
Let me go back all the way to the basics, right? I think we should thank research and fitness and health and well-being and
Correct.
education institutes and all the other practitioners that have, especially from a strength and conditioning background, and the fact that strength and conditioning ka concept koi to leke aaya.
Yeah.
Because all of that is a result of that. It's all that foundational work that has been done with these players that you see them generate the power. I'll tell you something. If you zoom in and look closely at some of these sixes that were hit, you'll see very few flexes of muscles on their arms.
Yeah.
It's all about
Timing.
timing and biomechanics.
I have
Yeah.
to talk about this to a player, right?
Yeah.
I was watching the match on a big screen yesterday, right? And I was literally like next to the screen, right? I could see the swing, the bat swing of Ishan Kishan when he hit that six over
Yeah.
cow corner.
Yeah.
His bat swing goes till the end and the bat hits on his back. Bro, I
Yeah.
play cricket. I would twitch my shoulder would come out if I kind of had that kind of swing. And even Shivam Dubey ka swing.
Yeah.
What is that now? Talk to me about
So
that.
technically, we are told to finish the shot.
Okay.
That's your complete frame of finishing your shot. So if you're playing a cover drive as well,
Okay.
it's a swing and it'll go all the way through. So as kids, when we were learning the game and learning to master a few shots, we were told the full swing and it should hit you at the back,
Why?
which means you
Yeah,
finish the shot.
Finish the shot.
This is check. Now, when can you check that shot? When you've got actually a lot of forearm power. Remind me, I think it was Abhishek Sharma that played that straight
Correct.
6.
Yeah, I was just
Correct.
going to say.
That was just this. That is sheer power.
Yeah.
That is sheer forearm power. That comes only from your forearms, not even your shoulder, not even your arms.
Yeah.
That is forearm power.
That was an amazing 6. It was,
Oh.
I think, it was a full toss, if I'm not mistaken.
It
right?
was-
looked like it was
yeah,
a
it
full
was like a
toss.
fuller delivery.
And it initially looked like he
Just that.
hadn't timed it, but it just had the power and it carried right
Bro,
through.
I remember playing as a child, right? For the longest time as a child, I used to think SG was Sunil Gavaskar, which most people do,
Yeah.
right?
अभी भी उनको लगता है कि सुनील गावस्कर ही है वो.
Correct. And then it was BDM, Larson's, all these
Yeah,
bats.
yeah.
We used to keep, and I used to play like at a state level. We used to keep our bats in a katori and rui, and we used to oil the bat at home, sarson ke tel se. That days, nobody will. If somebody started watching cricket in lockdown, which a lot of kids have, they'll never understand that.
No, they won't.
That
They
mehnat
won't.
of the game.
Yeah.
man.
They
they
don't.
won't.
Your connection to your equipment is very important. Your
Yeah.
connection to the ground is very important. Have you ever thought कोई भी player match के पहले pitch पे जाता है, वो pitch को इतना ध्यान से देखता क्यों है? See,
Yeah.
it's about understanding what's on that surface also.
Yeah.
That is very important as young
Yesterday's
players.
pitch was just an absolute belter as well.
For
And they
India.
picked the red soil.
Yes,
For India.
for India.
yeah. Yeah, but if you
It's
saw
the
the
same
pitch
pitch.
report,
Yeah.
yeah, at the beginning when they were showing the green top with the grass and
Yeah.
everything, it just
Yeah.
looked unbelievable. Very different from the South Africa game,
Yeah.
Yeah.
which is what I felt. I think
No, it was
a
the center
different
pitch.
track.
This was the center pitch. It was
different track,
made,
right.
and that's what people are talking about. That's
Yeah.
what people are talking about, the conditions.
Yeah.
So people are talking about how the entire tournament was favoring BCCI and favoring India. And that's where your South African players, Mr. 360,
Yeah.
AB de Villiers, came and said they literally won the last World Cup in a condition that was not favorable to them.
Yeah.
So leave this condition debate out of the question.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. There's always going to be people who are going to try to find excuses for how India won their
Yeah.
tournament or whatever
Yeah.
it is. I think the last time there was also about the Champions Trophy where
Correct.
they stayed in one ground, one venue, and this time
Correct.
they've been going left, right, and center.
They've traveled the most.
Yeah.
They've traveled the most.
So-
Now, speaking of other people being happy, and I love this, you know, we saw a picture of Kapil Dev, MS Dhoni, and Rohit Sharma together.
Yeah.
I felt that was a beautiful moment because Kapil Dev has not been appearing for BCCI matches from a very long time.
Yeah.
Controversies aside. But at this match, Kapil Dev was here, Rohit Sharma was here, all World Cup winning captains, and Shoaib Akhtar said, right, how beautifully he respects his elders, how beautifully he's called his three captains, Kapil, MS, and Rohit. Today, they're standing and celebrating as India as a unit. Many, many congratulations to India and your merit. Congratulations to you and be happy and keep winning. I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
What,
It's
4
good.
World Cups between these 3 captains?
Yep.
Yeah.
You can't take it. You
Amazing.
can't take that feeling away, no matter how many tournaments you win or whatever you
Yeah.
win.
No, it's true.
That's a separate feeling. But having all of them 3 in the same frame, that just tells you the work that has been done behind
Yeah.
the scenes
Yeah.
that a lot of people
Yeah.
don't recognize. We only see everything that happens on the big screen and in the forefront. We don't often see what happens in the back end.
Yeah.
But that, what you saw, that is a clear indication of how much work has been put in.
Yeah.
1983, when India lifted that World Cup,
Underdogs.
it changed cricket in India
Completely.
completely. That is where it all started.
Yeah.
To me, this is very reflective of, I mean, when you look at what's been happening with cricket throughout since 83, this is why today India is a juggernaut.
Yeah.
Because of all the work that's going on behind the scenes, because of people like this who've set up the team and set up the trainings and the conditionings and the strength and the coaching and everything like that. And this is why you have so many players coming from so many different parts of the world. And that's BCCI for you. So,
Yeah.
deserve to win 100%, you know,
Oh,
absolute
100%.
champions,
man. That's
without a
so-
doubt.
But इतना अच्छे से मत जीतो यार. it's monies are not worth it.
Yeah.
यार.
I know how the Aussies used to feel now. This is the thing. You know, I know
This
how
is
the
the
Aussies.
feeling.
This is
That's
the
what I
feeling.
said.
This is the feeling.
I love this line, okay?
Yeah.
There are decades where nothing happens, and there are weeks where decades happen. Sanju Samson.
Oh,
Oh my God. What a
Redemptions.
story. Redemption to bahut hai yaar, but when he said, I was broken, when he said, I was not picked, I did not play a single game in the 2024 World Cup, and then when I was given a chance against New Zealand, I blew it up as well. and then he named one person. I'm still getting goosebumps. Okay, then he said in a press,
I know who it is.
in a post-match interview, he's saying, "Ab to main bata sakta hu na, yaar. Now I can tell, na, right? I was in touch with Sachin, and literally,
course.
while Sachin's son was getting married, Sachin called Sanju back saying, "हाँ सब ठीक है ना final के लिए." It blew my mind. I was like, "Yeah, let's go! Come on!" Talking to a player like a player like Sachin, like mindset-wise. Who would you reach out in a situation like this?
I mean, a lot of people have mentors. They've got players that you definitely look
Yeah.
up to, etc.
Yeah.
So you always look out for that one person who you think is your calm in the storm.
Yeah.
And I think Sanju found that in Sachin to be his calm in the storm, and that sometimes is very important.
Yeah.
Do you remember the time Virat Kohli wasn't doing very
Yep.
well?
Yeah.
Yep.
That man has got a belief that he will never walk out into the ground for a match if his bat grip is not white. He always uses a
Yeah.
white grip.
Yeah.
There was this one match where he was so frustrated because there was nothing else that was working. His bat grip was black. That's when everybody was like, that really never happens. But as a player, I can tell you these are small things that we believe
Yeah.
in. Okay? We're a bit superficial geeks in that matter. There are a few things that we do, that we like to do, that make us feel in a nice little comfortable zone that we continue to do, whether it is even today when I'm going in for commentary or anything, there's a little ritual that I happen to do. Karna hi hai.
Yeah.
It's become part of your daily routine, daily life.
Yeah, I heard similar stories about this. They all sit in the same seats when
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
going into the final
Yeah.
in the
There's-
bus. They maintain
red,
these traditional
red
things.
napkin
They
ki
maintain-
story.
Yeah.
The stories are like.
Yeah.
But do you know what happened in yesterday's match? Speaking of these rituals and changing your ritual,
No?
we might have broken another jinx.
Another.
Another jinx. I'll tell you what happened.
I know
We were the first show in the world on Stars Play to show you Abhishek Sharma ka bat.
Yeah.
Oh.
The moment we showed you Abhishek Sharma ka bat, he started
Oh, he started performing very
not
well.
performing well.
Not performing
Not
well.
performing well.
Right.
Ah.
Yesterday, he played, in the final, he played with guess whose bat?
I know who this is. I think he took Shivam Dube's bat.
Shivam Dube's bat.
Yeah. He normally
Same
takes
thing,
Shubman
where
Gill's
he
bat,
never
yeah.
shares his bat, right?
Yeah.
He took out Shivam Dube's bat and he played with Shivam Dube's bat and became the guy who scored the fastest final half century in a T20 World Cup
Yeah.
edition.
In a T20 World Cup edition after his guru, Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh got it in 12
In a final.
balls.
a final.
In a final,
Yeah,
yes.
in a-
Apparently, fastest 50s ICC Men's T20 World Cup has been 18 balls, Abhishek Sharma.
In
Next
this World Cup,
is-
he's the fastest.
In this World Cup.
Yeah,
In this World Cup, he's the fastest.
Yeah.
But the fastest belongs
Ever?
to
In
Yuvraj
In a
Singh.
final?
Not in a final, but
Oh.
ever, I think.
Oh,
Fastest
overall,
ever is
Oh,
Yuvraj.
ever Yuvraj Singh.
12 balls.
Yeah.
Remember?
What?
Six
That was
sixes?
England.
England?
How will you
Yeah.
forget that?
Yeah.
But that, as again, these small things as a player, right?
Yeah.
Shivam Dube, another reason why we should consider him a hero. He gave us the best power play, right?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he did.
He
He
revived us actually at that point because we'd lost too many wickets and we were really slowed down. Hardik
Yeah.
wasn't able to get the ball away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he kind of
Yeah.
revived us,
Yeah.
gave us that final flourish a little bit. So Shivam Dube actually fantastic throughout the tournament. Even those two boundaries against West Indies,
Yep.
that changed the game.
That did.
Yep.
That's what enabled Sanju to come in 7 of the last over, 6
Yeah.
and then 1. Game over. That is
that's what-
because Shivam Dube set it up.
And
properly.
this is what I'm reading in front of me right now. Abhishek didn't perform 5 times. Surya didn't perform much, but his captaincy was out of this world. I loved his captaincy,
Yeah.
the way he's handling the players, the way he's encouraging drop catches. I love that. Tilak Verma, for the first few matches we were talking about
Yeah.
his strike rate, remember? And then uske baad mein Hardik also kind of dropped some catches in the final. We were not talking about. Dube has not failed a single inning, or not like kind of let us down even a single time.
Not at all. I think with the bat,
Yeah.
he is immaculate. He
Yeah.
is so good. And the advantage is because of his frame.
Correct. Oh my
Lamba,
god.
chauda kad,
Long levers.
Long-
long levers.
इंडियन तो वो इंडियन डीएनए तो नहीं लग रहा
नहीं, बिल्कुल
वो
भी
बॉडी
नहीं
है ना
Yeah, he seems to have some serious power when he
Oh,
hits
yeah,
as
he
well.
does.
So
He
he's
does.
he's really
Yeah.
strong and he's a good to some extent. I've seen him playing some good timing shots as well
Yeah.
across the
Yeah.
offside. So I think he's got both combinations. I
Yeah.
just hope he just doesn't bowl. That's my only thing. Just don't bowl.
In the post-match, towards the end, when his interview was being taken,
Yeah.
he's like, "Yeah, I thought they'll give me bowling, but when kids go for playing, Mama पूछते हैं, अच्छा क्या आज बैटिंग नहीं मिली?" So
Yeah.
this guy was complaining
Bro.
yesterday, यार आज bowling.
Yeah.
भाई, उन्हें इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप जिताया तो तू बॉलिंग के लिए रो रहा है.
बट मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि इंडियन टीम इज नाउ सो गोटेड दैट हम लोग लाइव मैच में प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं यार. कल लास्ट ओवर किसने डाला?
Abhishek.
अभिषेक शर्मा.
Yeah. Ishan Kishan wanted to bowl, you know that?
ईशान किशन को तो वो बोल रहे थे, फैंस बोल रहे थे ईशान को बॉलिंग दो, तो ही इज आल्सो डूइंग मस्ती इन अ फाइनल गेम. दिस इज सो वन साइडेड, लाइक दो ना बॉलिंग. बट व्हेन यू डिड यू सी दैट वीडियो?
Yeah.
His action, once you saw his action, it's a Rajpal Yadav action, bro.
Which one? The Ishan Kishan bowling
I
action?
mean,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
Ishan
yeah.
Kishan bowling for sure.
Coming back to Shivam Dube,
Yeah.
I think one man that should be given credit to constantly have belief in him is MS Dhoni with
Absolutely.
CSK.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times when Shivam Dube was drafted in,
Yeah.
he didn't do so well in the beginning, but that he never was dropped off the playing 11.
Yeah.
Consistently he was kept in that
Yeah.
playing 11, given him that 5-6 position on the batting lineup, given him that free flow. Don't worry about anything. Even if you hit the ball and get out on the first ball, don't worry about it. That belief is so important.
Yeah.
Can I give you another fact about Shivam Dube?
Go
which
on.
I'm reading right now. It says Shivam Dube has never lost a final he's played in.
Neither
Ever.
is Gautam Gambhir, by the way.
IPL 2023, CSK beats Gujarat, T20 World Cup 2024, Asia Cup 2025, T20 World Cup 2026. Shivam Dube has never lost a final.
Yeah.
Lucky charm. Let's talk about IPL a little more, which is literally now like
2 weeks away.
2 weeks away, right
weeks
here on
away.
Stars Play. Now, this team, I feel whenever you hear Sanju Samson ka naam on ground, the crowd erupts, right? South Indian fan base is crazy. However, he grew up in Delhi, by the way, right?
Interesting.
Interesting.
So the South Indian fan base is crazy. You see the pattern. Join Chennai Super Kings. The fan base is becoming bigger.
Yeah.
Great redemption story. A keeper,
Yeah.
a captain maybe in Chennai Super Kings. Do you think he's the right one to take over?
Take over from
Guess who?
Tala?
Take over from Tala. Well, I think he probably has been bought in. That trade has happened because of precisely that particular reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we probably will see the number 7 jersey for the last time on the ground this
Yeah.
season.
Oh
And
my
he's captained
God.
Rajasthan as well before, so he's
He
got
has,
his
he
base.
has,
He
yes.
has.
Done that. Yeah. So yeah, it seems very likely actually. Now that you mention it. Yeah.
Right? But
Yeah.
that team looks very goated this season at least.
Yeah. But you know the team that looks absolutely goated this
What?
season? The Mumbai.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
oh, yeah.
let's talk about Mumbai. We'll come to Mumbai because that's going to be literally 2 weeks mein a power dominance change. But that's a different story. Talk to me about this season of CSK, of Chennai Super Kings. Shivam Dube, right? MS Dhoni, Sanju Samson, Rachin Ravindra? CSK?
Rachin.
Yeah, Rachin Ravindra.
Rachin
Rachin?
Ravindra, yes.
What about Gaikwad? Is he not?
Gaikwad is the
Gaikwad is
captain.
there.
Captain.
He's there,
Yeah,
but
Yeah, he's there.
no.
yeah.
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 मेरे को bowling का problem लगता है हमेशा CSK का. Any
They've
good
never
bowlers?
had
Angiri?
they've never really had some very strong strike bowlers.
Yeah.
CSK has always been very batting dominated,
Yeah.
friendly in that way.
Correct.
See, IPL is such a marathon for 2 months, right?
Yeah.
Things change. One week there is a team that's trending. Another
Yeah.
team there's another week there's another team that's trending. So it's very hard to say which team will finish off in the end unless you come towards those last week and a half of the league, right? It's a long league, remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Players get tired, there's a lot of rotation that happens, but the fact that this time, the shift that has happened,
Yeah.
players have been going to different teams. Ravindra Jadeja
Yeah.
has been
Yep.
let go
Yep.
of CSK.
And now with RR.
Surprise. Yeah.
You know, and
He's
now
back to
with
Rajasthan.
RR, Sanju has come to CSK.
Correct.
Arjun Tendulkar has moved from Mumbai and gone to LSG.
LSG.
And
Oh.
there's
Is
just a
Ishan
lot.
with LSG as well?
I
No,
think
Who's
Ishan is
Ishan
with-
Kishan with?
is Sunrisers.
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 He's with Sunrisers.
Ishan is with
No, but there is
Sunrisers.
one. Who else
least
is
he
with
was with
LSG?
Sunrisers.
I know.
I don't know about the trade.
Pant is with LSG.
Yeah.
Pant is
Pant
with
is the
LSG.
captain for
yeah.
LSG. Who else
Yeah.
is there? LSG squad is also decent.
Isn't KL Rahul in LSG?
KL Rahul left.
KL
Oh, left,
has gone
okay.
to
Delhi.
Okay.
He's gone to Capitals.
Right.
Oh. Well, we'll have to look at the squads now.
We'll have to look at the squads,
final
man. It's
squads
going to be
have to
crazy.
be
Let's
announced, yeah.
talk about one thing that I know for sure. In just 2 weeks from now, your runner-up team ka captain,
From
your man of the match in the finals,
Mm-hmm.
right? Your who else was there? Who else will be there? So there's Mitchell Santner, there's Bumrah,
yeah,
right? There is
the captain of the 2024
World Cup,
winning
Surya
team.
Kumar Yadav, and 2026 World Cup, bro.
And 2026.
2026
24
World
and
Cup.
26.
2026 World Cup
Yep,
as well.
yep.
Will be playing under Hardik Pandya.
That'll be interesting.
That'll be interesting, right?
Yeah, it will be.
So, what do you do now when you change the dynamics like that?
You just wait and watch. Mumbai is known specifically, and I was going to add to what she was saying
Yeah.
earlier, it's a long tournament,
Yeah.
and often what happens is that because of the round robin format, teams have an opportunity to come back even
Yeah.
towards the latter
Yeah.
half of the tournament,
Yeah.
right? And Mumbai always, I've known in majority of the tournaments that they've played, they always start horribly. They'll win, they'll lose like the first 5 to 6
I'm not a
games.
Mumbai fan, bro.
Well,
I think they are they're privileged. मैं ना वो गरीब बच्चा हूँ, and Mumbai is that kid that comes in a Mercedes to school. I'm from Rajasthan,
yeah,
so my problem is that
yeah.
our purse is literally what you're bidding for one player.
No, I thought the purse is even for most teams, isn't it? If I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken.
of course
you
it
know,
is, bro.
But,
But I'm saying we
yeah.
don't spend that crazily.
yeah.
We don't go like, hey, we want him.
Yeah. And De Kock is back in Mumbai as well.
And
by
that
the
was the
way.
only
That's
player they
the
bid
other
for. You know that, right?
thing. Yeah.
Yeah, they're the
brought
only
him back.
ones where they had a fight
Yeah.
for.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to be an exciting tournament, of course. But because it's long and, like you said, round robin, you have so many
Yeah.
opportunities to
Yeah.
make a comeback. That points table
Yeah.
in IPL.
Yeah.
Yeah.
जितना वो शिफ्ट होता है ना, आज तक जिंदगी में और कुछ नहीं देखा
नहीं
जितना
होता, I
शिफ्ट
love
होता है वो.
It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy.
Yeah.
Quickly moving on to, I feel now. Okay, this is a very tough question, Charvi, for you as well. And for you, my bhai. The undisputed GOAT for Indian cricket history is Sachin Tendulkar. Yes. Like no, oh my God, do not.
Yes.
Oh no. There's going to be a separate debate altogether for that. The GOAT.
Yeah, I mean, I'd agree. I think
Yeah, for me,
universally speaking, yeah.
because he dominated in bowlers era, right? He
Yeah.
dominated in reverse swing. He dominated in where we didn't have two new balls. He dominated in Wasim Akram,
Yeah.
Waqar, Shoaib Akhtar era, right?
Fair.
Glenn Maxwell बोल रहा हूँ मैं, अपना Glenn
McGrath.
McGrath
Glenn McGrath.
era,
Yeah.
right? I feel.
Fair. Yeah.
Do you think we should now keep Bumrah in the same bracket because he's dominating in a batters era, bro? In this era, who gives you an economy of 6? Like in a T20?
I agree.
in a
I
I agree.
100%.
Sachin Bumrah on the same platform. Please tell me.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is first. I want to hear your views.
I'm going to let you go.
She's not in agreement about Sachin for sure. We can establish that.
Yeah.
I think that's an entirely different debate
Yeah.
altogether. But as far as Bumrah is concerned, yeah, he's 100% goated.
Yeah.
Because he's an all-format bowler.
Yeah.
Okay. He's unreadable and he's always available to you in all the crunch situations. I think
Yeah.
they were calling him a cheat code. He's a cheat code.
Yeah.
Dinesh Karthik calls him a cheat code.
Yeah.
Any captain who has Bumrah in his side, he's got the genie available to
Yeah.
him.
Correct.
And this is exactly what Bumrah brings to the table. And I think I heard a few influencers or somebody speaking about how Bumrah is actually the Don Bradman of bowling right now. So he's gone even further back than
Fair.
Sachin is,
Good
for that
line.
matter.
Good
know?
line.
And yeah, I 100% agree. I can't think of a single fault that doesn't fit him into that bracket over there,
And I agree to that. With Bumrah, I think he's exceptional no matter what situation you bring him in. He's always delivering. You always see that he's got an outcome.
Correct.
He'll
But the
always
question
deliver.
is,
He's coming back to that. I'm trying to deviate.
He's bringing
coming back to that.
the question is, Sachin the undisputed GOAT?
Now you're gonna have to answer.
I'm not on the spot. Can I go? Please.
Okay, but Bumrah the undisputed GOAT for Indian cricket history, guys. History. Not just Indian cricket, I'm talking about world cricket.
Okay, so let me put it this way, okay? And in all fairness, no offense to any Sachin fans.
Yeah.
What he's done for the country it's going to take a very, very long time for somebody else to stand up and do what he's done.
Yeah.
Period. Fine. Agreed. But there is so much talent in the country that there will always be somebody else who'll stand up. There'll be somebody who'll break his records.
Yeah.
There is one guy who's already doing it, has done that, Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's getting there, and I think he will still get there. I hope that he
Yeah.
does. I
Okay.
really hope that he does. He's still got a sizable amount of one-day internationals left
Yeah.
in his kitty where he can deliver and he can do that.
Yeah.
So undisputed, I would disagree, because remember we're in an era where cricketers are being produced with a blink of an eye.
Yeah.
We've got somebody's after last night. There are 20,000 who've picked up the bat again
Absolutely.
this morning.
But
Yeah.
would you keep
Right.
Bumrah now? Would we ever get another Bumrah? Is
See,
my question.
because bowlers are never really given the credit,
Hmm.
I think having somebody like Bumrah again, it'll take some time for India to churn somebody out like Bumrah. And why do I say this? Look at Bumrah's action is very normal.
Yeah.
But you see kids these days, for
Trying
all
to
the
copy it.
videos that you see on social media,
Yeah.
they're trying to copy that. What they don't understand is the repercussion behind it.
Yeah.
Right? Now, for me, I will look at it from a very different angle.
Yeah. Injury.
Injury.
Yeah.
Bumrah is very natural in that action. He doesn't do it deliberately. But for somebody doing it deliberately gives you exposure to a lot of injuries.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. And also Bumrah
collective.
has hyperextension.
Hyperextension.
Right?
He does have
Yeah.
hyperextension. For you to force a hyperextension,
Yeah.
you are trying to wake a lot of other muscles
Yep.
in your body that might be sleeping for a very long time. If
Yeah.
I put it in the most
Yep.
simplest ways, if you understand it that way, right? So to find another Bumrah, that will be tough. And I agree with you.
Yeah.
From a natural perspective.
Yeah.
See, having people like an action of Irfan Pathan,
Easy.
Bhuvaneshwar Kumar,
Yeah.
Mohammad Shami, for that
Yeah.
matter, easy goes it, simple,
Yeah.
because that's the traditional little bowling action that we have,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You remember the time when Dhoni came in and brought in a lot of change?
Yeah.
You remember what was said at that time by the great Saurav Ganguly? He said, unconventional, no problem. He's getting the results, right? That's where the switch of mind change happened. That's why bowlers like Bumrah, the unconventional batters, the
Yeah.
unconventional wicket keepers
Yeah.
are now being brought to light.
Yeah.
You're getting the result. So become more result oriented and stop going back to your traditional ये technique ऐसा होना चाहिए वैसा होना चाहिए मिल रहा है ना result आपको.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is at the end of the day, what does it matter? That you're lifting that trophy at the end of the day? Is that what is that matters? Yeah.
But I think there's a large component of that also is down to Bumrah's entire mind as well, right? It's how he uses his cricketing knowledge and his skills to play the
100%.
situation.
So,
you know,
This is a combination of
apart
skill
from-
and mindset.
Yeah,
right?
it's apart from purely just the action. Of course, the action is obviously
Yeah.
getting him some results. I would see there is a possibility in the future. Of course, if he passes on the torch,
Yeah.
which would be great.
Yeah.
Like Malinga did with him, and so many other players that he's worked with. Where if you have a situation like that, where Bumrah is able to sort of identify potential new talent that comes in, and gives them an insight into the way you think about
Yeah.
the game.
Fair.
And there's a huge amount of this component is tactical as well. It's not just purely the hard skill. You have to
Correct.
play the situation. This is why he's got the variations that comes in, the seam up, slow delivery. He's completely outfoxes bowlers on random days.
Yeah.
He just has
Yeah.
an unplayable Yorker. Even a slow Yorker is unplayable. So he's got all this vocabulary at his arsenal. So it's about getting players to start thinking along his
I
lines
agree.
as well.
I agree.
You know, this is actually for me been the final and the World Cup of stories, of redemptions, of people getting it back in their element, in their zone, right? We've spoken about Shivam Dube, we've spoken about Sanju Samson, we've spoken about a lot of other players, we've spoken about Akshar Patel now. Akshar Patel has not lost their last 20 ICC matches with Akshar Patel playing in the 11, right? India has not lost a single match. उसके अलावा बुमराह की बात हम लोग कर चुके हैं. We've spoken about Abhishek Sharma, right? We now should talk about, I feel, Suryakumar Yadav as well. He posted a video where he is now standing in a very, he's old, right? He started when he was 30 in Indian cricket team, in the Indian
Yeah.
cricket side.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
At
yeah.
30
Yeah,
when you
I
make your
saw this.
debut, it's old
Yeah,
for Indian
it's
standards.
he
Relatively
started
old.
relatively late.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
He posted a picture where he's saying, Friend's petrol pump inauguration. So he's standing outside a petrol pump of a friend in a very like chappal shirt and all. And then yesterday he posted that trophy photo on the pitch. That story is beautiful.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Yeah.
I feel like this is so many cricketers that way. So many of them. They come from such,
Yeah.
very, very simple, humble backgrounds, and then they fight for their way through Indian cricket. And it's a real privilege and it's a real fight. That's
Yeah.
both those things,
And another moment where ये जो for the okay, and I'll be honest here, मुझे match से ज़्यादा post match interviews अच्छे लगे कल, because that was so beautifully
Yeah.
narrated as well. So there's a point where Abhishek Sharma and Ishan Kishan are standing, right? So Ishan Kishan says, so Abhishek Sharma says, hey, let me talk to the commentators about my struggle. Ishan Kishan says, let me talk to the commentators about my struggle because तेरी 1 महीने की है, मेरी 2 साल की है.
Yeah, Ishan Kishan.
Right?
Ishan
Long-
Kishan.
Yeah.
He's well, dropped, not in the contract
Yep.
Yeah, he removed
contracted
from the
list.
contracts as well.
And for him to show up at an occasion where it matters the most, that's where it all counts. That's where you build up your
Yeah.
points, don't
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Players like him, and there will be so many. There are so many stories that we at this stage are unaware about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's think about ऐसी तो कितनी कहानियां हैं जो हमें पता भी नहीं है. We're talking about such small
Absolutely.
factors, but I think he was brilliant.
Yeah,
Ishan Kishan in this tournament was outstanding.
And there's a component of Surya also over here. He's really backed these
Yeah.
guys up to the
Yeah,
hilt.
he has.
He's backed them up. He's not changed the playing 11 even for the final. We remember we were talking about bringing Kuldeep in
Yeah.
because it's Ahmedabad and other
Yep.
things. He's like, no, we're going with the same 11. In fact, New Zealand made a change which didn't work in their favour, bringing in Jacob Duffy
Yeah.
instead of Cole McConkey. And look
Nothing
at
worked.
that. But Surya's just
Yeah.
backed his players,
Yeah.
and every single one of them have come good. So
Yeah.
that's another thing about Surya is that he's always behind his team. you
And I
know?
love his energy as well. Now,
Yeah.
Chavi, before we move on to our final segment, last question to you. There's a lot of talk about Surya Kumar Yadav not performing himself in this World Cup as a captain. I don't care about that. Should we as cricket fans?
You've touched a very personal nerve here.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yeah.
and I'll tell you why. We, as much as cricket is a team sport, is also quite an individual sport in its own
Yeah.
way, right? But at the end of the day, it's the 11 that go down on that grass.
Yep.
It's not the one single person that goes down on that grass, correct? Often, the captain is held up and flagged up and saying, you didn't score runs, you didn't take wickets, you dropped catches. But it's not all that one person's responsibility,
Yep.
right? Why do we have specialist opening batters, middle order batters, all-rounders, specialist bowlers? Why do we have them? Why do we have Bumrah who's only focusing on bowling and is not bothered about his batting? Because that's the combination you need to
Yeah.
make for the
Yeah.
sport. The
True.
sport
Yeah.
demands that sort of a competition, isn't it?
Yeah.
I find it very difficult and I find it very hard, and it comes in a very wrong light to me personally when somebody puts a finger and says, you're a captain, you didn't do anything. Boss, you don't know, if you are at here while you're playing the game,
Yeah.
as a player, as a captain, I am 10 steps ahead of you. I've already
Yeah.
thought of what I'm going to do
Yeah.
after
Yeah.
10
Yeah.
overs,
Yeah.
or what my anticipation is after 10 overs. The role of a captain is not always to get runs or pick up wickets, or yes, of course, to fielding is mandatory.
Yeah.
But the role of the captain is a lot bigger, a lot more wider, a lot more intense than any other player would
Yeah.
even understand.
I've also read this or heard this somewhere where he was sitting in Abhishek Sharma's room or any other player's room till like 2 a.m. when they were not doing well and just telling them, don't worry, yaar, tu kar lega.
Yeah, yeah.
That for me.
That is primarily.
And that should not be just in teams. That should be in corporate culture as well, bro.
Yeah.
And to be fair, I've done that
Yeah.
in my
Yeah.
time. Gone and spoken to players one to one, spent that time with them,
Wow.
spoken to them. You're all right. Is there anything
Yeah.
that I can do to help? I know you're not doing very
Yeah.
well. Is there any assistance you require apart from that? These are things we do. These
Yeah.
are the
Yeah.
things that
Yeah.
we. And I'll tell you something. कोई manual नहीं है. कोई कोच बिठा के नहीं बोलता है तुम कैप्टन हो, तुम्हें ये करना है, ये करना है, प्लेयर से बात करना है. No, it's
Yeah.
a very
दिल से आता
natural
है.
instinct.
Yeah.
You go and you have a word with them. You have
Yep.
you speak to them, and you try and understand what is it going to work so that the team will win at the end of the day. Remember, it's never your personal agenda. Even for Surya Kumar Yadav, it was never his personal agenda. That's why you will never see him that yaar mere run nahi bane. You will never hear that
Yeah.
from him. It's always because at the end of the day, what's the bigger goal? And that's why
Yeah.
captains usually take the brunt for everything.
Yeah.
Even Rohit Sharma did that. I think I remember there's a story. I think Ashwin was talking about how at the 2024 World Cup final, he didn't put Sanju in the playing 11, and he specifically walked up to him and gave him a full explanation as to why he's going with this team combination and not having him in there. And I think that's what I think he even alluded to in the press conference yesterday, Surya and Gambhir, where he said the role of a captain is that of a leader. You can't just say captain.
Yeah.
It's a leadership role.
Absolutely.
And I seriously doubt that internally within the team that they're going to each player and saying you didn't make runs or you did make runs. I don't think they're even talking about it. I just think that they're there to get them out of their own heads more than anything else. I think most individual players, when they are not performing, they're harder on themselves than anybody externally would be. You know, I genuinely feel that way. They would not be as hard as in somebody from the outside will not be as hard on them as much they themselves would be on themselves. Like, you know, they're just criticizing, why did I play the shot? And this is how they get into their own head. And this is when captains essentially have to come in, and coaches to some extent, and try to get them out of that space. And like we spoke earlier in the you know, when we were doing the show, I said, you know, somebody go to Abhishek Sharma's room and show him his last 3 innings against New Zealand. Just show him that. They just need to be reminded of the kind of players that they are. And the same applies as a player for a captain also. If Surya he's won a game for India in this tournament as far as I'm concerned, so I wouldn't question his performance at all. I wouldn't even question his captaincy. So
I mean,
he's done the
there's
job,
no
it's done.
question to captaincy ko gaya, to phir tumhe cricket nahi malum.
No, I think
That's
he's a
it.
fabulous captain. The decisions he's made, he looks so cool-headed. He looks chill,
Always.
Yeah.
very, very easygoing, and that's how a leader should be.
Right.
You know, they should just know you're not my only focus.
Yeah.
I've got 10
Yeah.
others to
Absolutely.
you know to look at and
Absolutely.
focus on.
Yeah.
And that's how it should be always.
And not just, so we've spoken about these redemption stories, right? We've spoken about the team ka culture. We've spoken about the coach. We've spoken about the captain. We also know that there have been times where players like Siraj, right, was sitting outside. He said a beautiful thing in the press conference, in the post-match presentation, saying, hey, mera kaam tha pani pilana, but mera wo bhi bada kaam laga mujhe. Right?
Yeah.
There was Kuldeep Yadav. It was like, yeah, same thing. I want the players to be hydrated, right? We saw you, Rinku Singh. Every time the camera was on Rinku Singh, he was not the same. Of course, condolences, right? We love this. And your time will come if you're watching this. What a great story arc this World Cup has been for the Indian cricket team.
Yeah.
Moving on to our next segment. On that note, it's going to be Stars Play Replay, where we're going to show you some clips. My favorite, it's going to be Arshdeep. Let's just play it. Roll. Our next segment is the final segment. I'm going to miss both of you because this is the last time we're going to do this segment in this season of Off the Mark. It's called Stars Play Replay.
Yeah.
First thing, Arshdeep is literally my most favorite.
Yeah.
I'm not even joking. He's so unserious in life. I want that kind of nonchalant thing and the sense of humor in life, right? When he threw the ball
With Daryl Mitchell.
at Daryl Mitchell, I was kind of like, that was not required.
Yeah.
I wish every Indian fan was.
I did.
Let's just play that first. And then because he did not apologize, after that, he kind of became the bad guy.
Yeah.
Play that. Right? Not required. Chalo, not required.
No.
Did not apologize, turned around.
Yeah, he just turned around.
He gave him a look. Surya Kumar Yadav came back and apologized.
Apologies in order from Arshdeep. Turned out,
To
yeah,
Daryl
it's all
Mitchell.
right.
Yeah. Like
Thought you were gonna
any
hit the stump to hit the bat,
leader would
Winston.
do.
Leader would do,
Yeah.
right?
Pat on the
Yeah.
back. Sorry, I didn't
Match
mean to do
fine
that.
या ban इसके लिए
Yes.
for not apologizing. We were discussing this yesterday.
I'd hand him a fine and a ban if you ask me. I was quite livid when I saw this.
Yeah.
But then what he did in the post match,
Yeah.
I was like, maaf karo usko yaar. You know what he said
Nerves come on.
to Harsha Bhogle? He said Harsha Bhogle was ready with the mic, taking his interview. He ran off. He's like, where did you go? Like, कुछ नहीं पाजी, वो Daryl Mitchell को sorry बोलने गया था, मेरा throw ज़्यादा reverse swing हो गया. I was like, this is so funny, this guy, dude. I love this. I love this.
Yeah, but still, I given the context of the game and when this happened, I
Yeah.
thought it was completely unnecessary.
Not
But then he
required.
apologized,
Absolutely.
dude. That's fine.
Yeah,
it's a
fair
heat of the
enough.
moment. Let's
But
not
what
be
was the heat? You
holier
have
than
all the
thou.
gear- the
यहाँ
gears
पे
in the
हमने
pocket.
सबने गाड़ी पे गालियाँ दी है लोगों को. It's fine, dude. I think it's fine.
I think he had 2 sixes hit off of him,
Yeah,
so
correct.
maybe he was a little
Yeah,
upset
flustered
about
but
that.
uncalled for.
Yeah.
I mean, you want to give him a look, turn around, go away, fine. Throwing the ball at him,
Yeah, completely unnecessary.
not required.
Yeah, but then he apologized to him also. Then he joked about it also. Then I know,
Which is fine.
Yeah.
I mean, I think any athlete would do that. Go back and apologize. Be
Yeah,
like,
that's-
ho
that's
gaya,
what I
spirit
think,
of the
yeah.
game. That's
Yeah.
fine. But still, in that moment, and like you said, in that context,
It was completely unnecessary.
Fair
And yeah.
Fair. I agree with you. It was
Yeah.
unnecessary. Even I was like, that was not required. Apologize.
I mean, I think as fans, part of at least I'm like this, where I hold them to a much higher standard on the field. You know, we're not like those guys, yeah. Like the classic sledgers who throw in whatever. We're not like that, right? You know, we're not.
We
So-
need that kind of energy.
Yeah.
Any. है ना?
Anyway.
Ishan Kishan ka catch is, and the package of his catching yesterday as a keeper
unbelievable.
in the outfield. Huh? If Charvi's doing this, zoom on. That must be some catching. Let's play that.
Boomer.
This is again Bumrah's classic first ball. First ball. 0-0-0. 0.1 Bumrah takes it. What a legend. And यहाँ पे मुझे लग गया था हो गया game.
Yeah.
नहीं?
It was very much.
it was a much needed one because there was one that was dropped before.
Correct.
It was a hard one that to Shivam.
Correct.
Even this one, he did
Yeah.
very well on that. The
Yeah,
second one that he was just going around.
I call that
the
one
fence.
Surya Kumar catch 2.0. Almost
Sky
across the-
2.0.
Sky 2.0.
Sky 2.0.
Yeah.
ये देखो, one more.
Straight in.
Not bad. Simplest
He's
one.
not
Easiest
doing
one.
anything
Yeah.
today.
But there was one which he took, which he went across the boundary as well, right? that was sad, but
New
yeah.
Zealand slip
At least the game was in the bag.
Unfortunate. Sometimes there's some you anticipate कि आ जाएगा, but it just goes over.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Anyway.
part of the
Speaking of anticipation, ये एक तो आदमी, first of all, people say he drops catches. No. My thing is, he reaches that catch is a big deal. Glenn Phillips. Play that.
There's a fielder there.
How did you reach here?
No, you
And
almost
just
got
pause.
there.
Pause and
Ball
what
that
was
he
that?
cannot get to.
What's this? What is? How did you reach there?
For all money. That's because this man on screen
How? What is this?
got to it.
अगर वो ले लेता ना
तो भाई मैं रो
catch
देता.
of the century होता वो.
Absolutely agree.
Yeah.
Catch of the century होता वो.
Absolutely
Yeah.
agree.
That's Glenn Phillips Airlines right there. It's just a takeoff, you know.
Yeah.
Bro, absolutely. This
He's
is
done this throughout the World
Yeah,
Cup. I've
yeah.
seen him
correct.
Always.
with some exceptional fielding
Yeah.
display
Yeah.
on the field. The way he
Yeah.
does it, he's there at one stage. यार ये आया कहाँ से?
Yeah.
था तो नहीं फ्रेम में. फ्रेम में कहाँ से आ गया?
Anybody remember that Kohli catch?
Glenn
Where
Phillips का?
Glenn Phillips का
Yes.
वही.
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा है
He
ये?
was stunned.
कहाँ से?
He was stunned. And there's something I want to mention where Charvi earlier also in the tournament pointed out very rightly that fielding brings the A game, and that's why New Zealand are in the final.
Oh my God.
Think about that.
We
You
were
know?
the we still dropped the most amount of catches in this
Yeah.
World Cup.
We
huh?
did.
Yeah.
Yesterday we only dropped one. Sadly, thank you for that.
And one misfield as well.
Yeah, and
And a
no,
misfield.
2 catches and a misfield.
2 catches and a misfield. Yeah, the Shivam Dubey dropped
Yeah,
one catch,
correct.
right?
Yeah.
Correct.
And one drop by Hardik and one misfield by Hardik as well.
Yeah.
Anyways, we have the
Anyway.
World Cup now.
Yeah.
It's only defending champions
Like
to
we'll
win it
find
twice
out
in a
the
row.
next-
Yeah.
Some people didn't
Right.
realize that we had the World Cup.
Let's
right?
talk about that clip. Now, look at this. This is how one-sided and boring this match got that even the commentators in 2007, the goated commentary, it's like, it's in the air and Srisan takes the catch, right? When we won the World Cup. 2011, the iconic historical
Yeah.
books would say, Dhoni finishes off in style. 2024, the commentary would say, Surya Kumar Yadav takes the most important catch of his life. Long off, long off,
Yeah.
long off. And 2026, the World Cup winning commentary, the moment would say this. Play this.
But in the tournament,
Mr. Shastri.
Taken in the deep.
And the night wicket goes down. Oh no, it's all over. It's the 10th one.
And it's all done actually. It's India.
It took him a moment to even realize that. Yeah.
For the third time.
Even the scoreboard didn't change. That's probably what confused him, right? Yeah.
Now it's changed. But
Yeah.
यार commentator, आप commentator हो scoreboard देख रहे हो.
Fantastic performance for India.
I mean, I think, like you said, that the moment is so goated already.
Yeah.
Like, हाँ, पता ही था जीतने वाले थे. 4 ओवर पहले से ही पता है कि जीतने वाले हैं. अब जाके जीते. I think it comes down to that. But as a commentator myself, होता है यार कभी हो जाता है.
Yeah.
You know, you're in that flow.
But मैं तो कह रहा हूँ, historically when this commentary will be played, can you imagine?
But it just goes to show, like she was saying, that there was a lack of that thrill towards the end to really fight for it and then win it, like we did in the last World Cup, right? And that's what made the difference. And I think when you need 112 of 2 overs, highly unlikely that the other side is going to win. So
I
game
agree.
is over.
I agree. Completely agree. That's where it all comes down to, isn't it?
Oh man, what a journey these 10 episodes have been.
yeah.
We've been
Tell me about
shooting
it.
under unprecedented times in Dubai, in the UAE, in the Middle East. There's nothing to worry about. You see, there are people all around us, but we still kept going. We're so proud of the UAE. We're so proud of the authorities. We're so proud of the Indian cricket team as well. Thank you once again. Pleasure doing business with you.
Thank you.
No, with you is business doing pleasure with you.
Business doing pleasure.
Pleasure doing business
Same
with you.
here.
Yeah.
Charvi, Vish, and me Parikshit signing out off the mark season 10 with India winning the World Cup. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for being on the show, both of you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
And thank you to all our guests who've constantly shown support. Thank you to everyone who's been a part of this. I want to thank, of course, Kruti's here. There's a lot of people behind
crew,
this.
the amazing
the
crew
entire
that we've
crew.
had.
Can I have the entire crew right now, please? Can I have the entire crew on camera? I want to thank Yamini as well. These are the people who are handling the episode right now. They're going to leave everything. I hope it makes the cut in the end. I want everybody. I want Kruti. I want Yamini. I want to show you this 1 hour to 45-minute episode, how much effort it takes right now. We've gone through locations. We've gone through people. We've gone through places. We've gone through a lot of other things as well. That's Kruti, by the way. I don't know if any camera... And आप camera छोड़ के सारे आ जाइए. Everybody. ये हमारे भाई जिन्होंने सबसे ज़्यादा हंसी मजाक की हमारे साथ में. I want the sound guy as well to be here.
आजा.
And these guys are fasting right now. And right now, as we speak, we have a jet right above us. This is what these guys are putting in. These guys have changed location while fasting. And I'm telling you, it's not easy. Vish has constantly, tirelessly edited episodes. Kruti has tirelessly, I'm not even joking, contacted everyone, helped us a lot. This is her brainchild, by the way. Kruti, thank you so very much for Off the Mark. Thank you. Charvi, always
Thank
adding
you.
flavor means
Thank you.
a lot.
Thank you. Thank you
This
for having
is
me.
the crew.
Thank you.
Are we,
Thank you.
सारे आओ. We're not missing. My brothers here, they've been constantly. Sorry, आज मैं आपको फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. मुझे धक्का मार के ग्रुप से निकालना. Because we've been back and forth editing. Please come on the camera as well. I don't want this video. This is being recorded. Come on the video as well. This has been a great show, Off the Mark. We tried our best. This is the first season. A lot of things we've done right, a lot of things we've done wrong. Hopefully, we'll be back. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Thank you for watching Off the Mark on Stars Play. Watch the show. Don't watch the show. It's your choice. But it's the home of cricket. Watch the IPL coming up right here on Stars Play. Let's go!